How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our flash dual carbine off-road and warning light bars. So we offer these light bars in two sizes. So we have our 14-inch model and our 20-inch model. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar with your mounting brackets here, which I went ahead and pre-attached. And then you'll have your cable functions here. So you'll have your black ground cable, your red positive cable for your warning modules, you'll have your green positive cable for your spotlight modules, and then you'll have your yellow flash pattern cable, which you can use to change the patterns on your warning modules. Now let's go ahead and turn one of these light bars on and go over the functions. So for demonstration purposes, I'll be using our dual carbine 20. So I went ahead and hooked up my black ground cable here. Now again, my red positive cable will activate my warning modules. So you'll see my warning modules will activate there. And then my green power cable will activate my spotlight modules. So you'll see my spotlight mode is activated. So you'll see you can activate those functions independently, or you can activate those functions together if you would like to as well. As you see here, now all of my modules are on. Now while you're in warning mode, you can take your yellow flash pattern cable and you can tap that to the positive connection to change your flash patterns. So you'll see that you can get to a pattern you'd like. And then this unit does have memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on and or remember the last pattern it was on. So you'll see you have plenty of functionality with these light bars. Now I did bring a red-blue color example here, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid and half-half color combinations. So let's go over a couple of those. So I went ahead and brought an amber in our solid color configuration here. And then in the middle, I brought our green clear in a half-half color configuration. And then in the back, I have our red blue again in the half-half color configuration. Now you will notice that all of my light bars are on different flash patterns here, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And again, we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid and half-half color configurations. Now you'll see that my warning modules are activated independently here, or you can activate your spotlight modules along with your warning modules if you would like to, or you can activate your spotlight modules independently if you would like to as well. So that covers our flash dual carbine off-road and warning light bars. Make sure to check out our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your product. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.